Well, after an hour of sanding, that's where I am. But actually, I like what I see. I think this blue stripe is actually a gel coat. So I may go back with that blue stripe. But other than normal dings and scratches, I don't see so far. I don't see anything detrimental. Usually the bow is what takes the biggest beating, so there are a few up here, but that can be sanded and some epoxy put in. But this is my setup that I have for sanding. I have a orbital sander, a vacuum hose. I have a dust deputy there that takes that so it doesn't all get into my shop vac. So, but it's going to be a while. Got the bow sanded down fairly well. This blue stripe, I thought at first maybe it's gel coat, but it's some good paint, I believe. But I like the blue stripe there, so I may repaint that. Starboard side's not quite there yet. Got some of that to do. But well, I've run out of time. But all of the bottom paint is off, all the way back to the centerboard trunk on both the port and starboard sides, which is pretty good considering I spent a lot of my time shoveling snow. So anyway, we'll get the rest of that off and we'll start prepping the whole hull. But that's probably going to be a while, unfortunately. I also noticed I've got some impact damage to fix again on this on the port side and starboard side. So they made an attempt, and it probably worked for them. But anyway, we'll redo it. But anyway, until next time, see ya. It's getting there.